In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process payroll in BambooHR. We'll walk through each stage from logging in to closing the period so you can run payroll confidently and avoid last-minute surprises. Start by signing in at your company's BambooHR URL. Enter your login credentials and, from the left menu, open Payroll. Inside Payroll, select Run Payroll and choose the correct pay period, weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly, then continue. It's always worth double-checking the dates match your company's schedule before you move on. Next, review employee earnings carefully. Look at salary or hourly pay, any overtime, PTO used, holiday pay, bonuses or commissions, stipends, and reimbursements. Accuracy here prevents corrections later, so compare anything unusual against approved requests or prior pay runs. If your team uses time tracking, go to time tracking to approve all timesheets, fix missing punches or overtime discrepancies, then return to payroll. Approved hours flow in automatically, so resolving issues now ensures the right totals are paid. Now review deductions. BambooHR applies taxes, Social Security and Medicare where applicable, health benefits, retirement contributions like a 401k, and any garnishments. Confirm that rates, enrollments, and caps are correct, especially for employees who recently changed benefits or compensation. If one-time payments are needed, choose Add Earning, select the appropriate type, bonus, commission, retro pay, mileage, or reimbursement, enter the amount, and save. Use clear notes or memos so future audits are simple. Before you run payroll, confirm each employee's banking and tax details. Make sure direct deposit information, a current W-4, the correct address, and an active employment status are on file. BambooHR will flag missing items, so address any alerts now. Review the payroll summary. You'll see total gross pay, total deductions, employer taxes, and net pay for all employees. Scan for mistakes, missing employees, or amounts that don't look right. If something stands out, drill in and correct it before proceeding. When everything is accurate, select Submit Payroll and confirm your approval. BambooHR will send payments via direct deposit, and if you're using BambooHR Payroll, it will also handle payroll tax filings. Afterward, open reports to download your payroll summary, earnings, deduction, and tax filing reports. Export to PDF or CSV for accounting, audits, and bookkeeping. BambooHR will automatically send pay stubs, update employee profiles, and notify employees by email. They can view pay stubs anytime under Payroll, Pay History. Finally, close payroll to lock the period. This prevents changes and moves the run to the completed section. And that's how you process payroll in BambooHR from start to finish.